of the Chancellor's procession. Kindly be upstanding. Kindly be upstanding. Led by the mace bearer. The Chancellor's procession.
Kenya Chamber of Commerce, but he couldn't make it. He sent me.
As you may recall, by 2023, our public universities were indebted to the tune of 60 billion. Out of the 40 public universities or so, 23 had been declared technically insolvent. The introduction of the new funding model for higher education, also known as the student-centered funding model, was designed to specifically address these challenges and restore our universities to a path of growth and sustainability. Since the introduction of the model in 2023, the government has so far disbursed 41 billion in student loans and scholarships for the benefits of a total of 240,000 students. As I speak today, our public universities have reported that the student-centered model is progressively easing their financial challenges and are in a better position to pay their debts. This is indeed a confirmation that once the initial and formative rollout challenges are addressed, the funding model will be the lasting solution to the financial challenges that our public universities face.
To the graduates, please note that Masai Mara University values you as our loyal supporters. We implore you to play your part as role models and inspirers, career mentors, improving student recruitment efforts, fundraising and supporting the university's reputation.
This indeed is a rare moment of great joy for all of us gathered here today to witness the end of a job well done. The graduates will agree with us that it is indeed a remarkable achievement. We thank them all for demonstrating resilience during their academic journey.
Government is working hard to ensure that the funding model is working. Because, many people have not believed in this.
Please, go out there and change this country. You are the people who we depend on as your leaders. We want to make sure that Kenya can become a great nation.